It's barbecue season, and all you grillers out there know that the most important barbecue accessory that you can buy for your grill right now is a pair of good tongs. If you're watching this video, chances are you're having a hard time finding a decent set. I know, because I've thrown out a lot of product in the last few months. Until I found the Webber Original Tong. So what sets these barbecue tongs apart from what's popular right now in the market? Well, let's dive in. Here's my review on the Webber Original Tong. Alright, let's take a look at probably the most popular tongs out there right now. The OXO Good Grips 12-inch tongs. The tongs are really responsive and have a strong hold on almost any food. I really love the unlock and lock latch, which is easy to use and has a no-fuss lever. The tongs feel really good to the touch and responsive, and they open up pretty wide. So how do they perform on the barbecue grill? Well, at 12 inches, they're actually kind of short, and they don't keep your hands away from the hot flame. They do have a pretty decent opening width. I do wish it was a little bit better though, but as you can see here, the teeth grab onto the food and flip it with no problems. Okay, up next is probably the most budget-friendly grill set out there, Nexgrill's complete barbecue set. I've had this set for a little over a year, and to be honest with you guys, they're probably the main reason why I'm trying to find a better set. These end pieces snap off for easy cleaning, but they're actually really problematic. Now these tongs are plenty long, coming in at just over 17 inches, offering your hands good protection from that hot heat. They grip the food just fine, but the tongs, which are the end pieces, have really flimsy material, and they tend to bend really easily. And not to mention fall out at the worst possible time, leaving your tongs over an open flame to heat up. I actually had to rescue these with a better set, which is pretty ironic. This happens really often, and I can't tell you how frustrating it is, which actually leads me to the next set, the Webber Original Grill Tongs. These grill tongs are bulletproof, and I love the quick lock and unlock mechanism. The materials are strong and they grip your food with precision. They also come in at just over 17 inches, which offer you plenty of protection for that high heat flame. They open wide and they grip heavy food with no issues at all. The materials are strong, so I don't see these bending anytime soon. So now let's talk about storage, and you'll be surprised at how different each of these tongs are. The OXO grips, well, they're not really designed for barbecuing, so they don't store very well. The Webbers have a great catch mechanism, and the Nexgrills are just really flimsy. If you don't have dedicated hangers, then the Nexgrill and OXO grips are just going to have to go over the handle, which could be quite annoying. The Webbers have a built-in hanger that pretty much fits everywhere and is designed for this specific reason. In my mind, that's a huge plus. So how do the Webbers handle high heat? Beautifully, and they're an absolute joy to use. It's really easy to see why the Webbers are a no-brainer, and I wish I would have bought them sooner rather than wasting my money on a cheap set. They're stainless steel, have a sleek design, comfortable handle, great locking mechanism, a practical hanger, and come in at a fantastic price. Check them out in person at your local hardware store and compare them to the competition. I guarantee you'll be taking them home. The Nexgrill comes in at 17 bucks, and it's a complete barbecue set with a spatula, fork, grill tongs, a brush, and even stainless steel kebabs. The reviews are pretty much agreeing with me, and most people are experiencing the same issues that I was, with the ends falling off. I really think this is a budget-friendly set, and it might be okay as your first set, but just keep in mind, you're probably wasting your money. Next, we got the OXO Good Grips 12-inch stainless steel tongs. These are coming in at 13 bucks, and I gotta tell you guys, these are fantastic, and I always have a set in my kitchen. However, as barbecue tongs, just don't do it. OXO recently came out with tongs dedicated for grilling. These come out to just over 18.5 inches long, and I do have to admit, they look fantastic. At the time of this video, I didn't have a set to review, but you can tell that they've been redesigned to include some really cool features and compete with Webber. And coming in at $16, I think they're being really competitive. Finally, we have the Webbers, model 6610, coming in at $17. Webber's known for owning the barbecue market, and based off of these Amazon reviews, these are no exception. Now, I'm aware that Webber has a complete set that comes with a spatula and a fork. The Amazon reviews seem to suggest that the spatula is a bit flimsy, and I was able to confirm this in person, which is quite a shame because I think this would have been the perfect set. However, I highly recommend Webber's grill tongs, model 6610, and I do recommend that you go out and buy a pair for yourself. That's it for me, guys. I hope this video is informative and helps you on your next purchase. Until next time, take care, everybody. Hey everybody, how'd you guys like that last video? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next video. And if you can, please share with your family and friends. I would really appreciate it. Here's some more content that I think you guys are really gonna enjoy. Check them out. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.